Hi, in this video we're going to try and fix interference issues on the VideoMic Go. Let's go! One of the problems I've been getting is a lot of background noise, and I've actually tracked down the problem, so I'm going to demonstrate it, so hopefully it will work for you. And for this we need a measuring tape. So there's no editing whatsoever on the audio. Normally I'd run it through Audacity. This is completely raw audio. So at the moment the microphone is just sat here to my right. I've actually got an extension lead from the camera to the back of the mic. It's a 3-meter extension lead. It's a Rode VC01, I think it's called. Right, so at the moment from the edge of my iMac, it is 80 centimeters, which is around about 30 inches. Okay, so we're sat 30 inches away. I'm now going to move out of camera shot. I'm going to go a little bit further. How far are we going to go now? We're going to go about, let's go 150 centimeters away. Actually, I'm going to go 160, which is 63. And we've got the microphone over here now, 63 inches, 160 odd centimeters away from the iMac. I'm coming back. Right, so now we're back. Okay, so now we're going to show you exactly what the problem is in. Right, so here is the microphone, very, very close. The back of the microphone is about 30 inches, 1 foot away from the MacBook. And I'll let you listen to it for a second. And now we've moved across and it's now back to the original position. That's it. You should hear quite a difference. Now the fix for this is pretty obvious. Use an extension lead and get your VideoMic Go away from the camera and away from electrical devices. Now normally I would probably use a MacBook to do remote shooting, set it up quite a way away, maybe, I don't know, what did we say before? 160 centimeters, about 5-6 feet away. You can still glance across and see how the live shoot is going. That would probably be the best way of doing it. Turn off all the big electrical devices and shoot without anything nearby, without any interference. So that's the fix. Get rid of the interference. Turn electrical devices off. Okay, thanks a lot guys. Bye.